may forever, pero ang forever ay God. God is forever. Can you say that together?
Do we worship the saints? Yes or no? Do we worship Jesus? Yes or no? Very good. Because Jesus is God. And our worship is for God. Mama Mary is not God. The saints are not God. But Jesus is God. Repeat after me. Ano ginagawa natin sa mahal na ina? Honor. Respect. Venerate. Ano ginagawa natin sa mahal na ina? Very good. But you are not accident while you are here. And you are here because you want to make miracles right now in your life. Amen?
Soul is forever. God is forever. Grace is forever. The love of God for you, even if it is not romantic, is forever. When is the rose most beautiful? Kapag pa-bloom? Kapag full bloom? Kapag mabangong-mabango? Kapag yung buong kwarto punong-puno ng bango ng roses? My dear young people, the answer is no. When the petals start to fall and when the seeds of the rose start to fall on the ground, and then after a few weeks, the sprouts of the seedlings of the rose come out of the soil because the seed fell on the soil. That is the most beautiful part of being rose. So when are you most beautiful? Not when you look at your face on the mirror. You're most beautiful when you serve others. You're most beautiful when you live for others. You're most beautiful when you die so that others can live.
Just like Mama Mary, bago tayo magdasal ng rosaryo, ibigay natin ang lahat-lahat. We have to give our all in praying the rosary, her adoration, her love, and her life.
We have chosen God. We have chosen the Mother of God. The Mother of God is forever. Jesus, her Son, is forever. God is forever. Soul is forever. Life everlasting is without end. We have chosen the Lord, and we will live by our choice, and we profess our belief that we have chosen the Lord is forever, and I'm going to be forever.
Mama Mary, in her life, after the death of his son, she continued her life and continued the mission of his son. At ito ang gustong sabihin sa atin na sama-sama tayo naglalakbay na isang simbahan, you continue. Wala man ang ating Jesus, visible sa atin, present sa atin, pero sinasabi niya, continue the mission that I entrusted to all of you.